Now we some soldiers, some mighty, mighty warriors. With peace the blood in the name of the sun. Now hear my war cry, here we come.
Assimilate your mind and thoughts to be attentive to visionaries, a sign of purpose. Watch out for sin, it's contagious. On the world, keep contemplating. The devil try to take out us all. United we stand, divided we fall. Let's walk and still on ride. So lick your march to the fast lane. Because we come in explosive, anointed, demolishing everything. No hesitation, we breaking down walls of denomination. Of Christ demonstrated this love and squashed the hating. I'm determined to reach the world. We can't be baited and penetrated. We took a hold to it and came about the shell. The clock said it's ticking. We rolling 24/7. Determination, don't need no riches. We wore this up in
we some soldiers, some mighty, mighty warriors.
The devil try to hold us back, but ain't no stopping us.
With peace the blood in the name of the sun. Now hear my war cry, here we come.
Picture me rolling as I hit the streets, bringing my cheek to all of my enemies that try to creep. Bringing the action guaranteed to fit your satisfaction. Soldiers united, divided, and never will it crack us. Now here we come, giving everybody this cup and never we fall. Cause sanctified hustlers, we march and stumping down the ball. For those of you who know us, know that we produce some struggles. A lot of trials and tribulations, then we in the jungle. The five of us together standing there, we very proud. Watching each other's back through everything that's going down. Sometimes I sit back and I'm chilling, reminiscing on the times I was wishing to be a rap musician that changed the world, and that was my ambition. Some folks had never thought that we would make it, but here we is, we putting it down now, no let down. So what now? So bow down to a D-A-C-O-M-A-C-I-T-Y-T-H-U-G. Girl, roll to the back cause I watch you with my infantry. So just salute now if you're with me, believe me it ain't easy being who we are. Say what you want, I give up easy. Still will I be riding till I die. Sanctified, holy, united, we're not crying. We some mighty, mighty warriors. We some warriors, now we some mighty, mighty warriors. Now we some warriors, some warriors, some warriors. Now we some mighty, mighty warriors.
Now we some soldiers, some mighty, mighty warriors.
The devil try to hold us back, but ain't no stopping us.
With peace the blood in the name of the sun. Now hear my war cry, here we come.
They call me Soldier Salute, what you think I'm playing? I come to take his rep by storm, steady contemplating. I'm on a mission, reaching y'all, get forget the old. The devil trying to take me up, but never will I fall. And so I raise to my feet, and I bring seat. I quit the flip and call kitchens, can you feel me? But so my armor, grab my boots, and I'm out the door. Cause I'm a soldier for life, and I'm prepared for war. Look in my eyes and tell me what you see. I be that soldier to the fullest in the infantry. ABG is on a mission, making history. I say the better grab his bag, he better hit his feet. Cause here I come.
We some soldiers, some mighty, mighty warriors.
The devil try to hold us back, but ain't no stopping us.
With peace the blood in the name of the sun. Now hear my war cry, here we come.
It's the incredible, untouchable demon killers. The crease, blue khaki wearing, Chuck wearing. On the gorilla we get much iller than the rest. We get to hop and make you pop them collars off your chest. Putting neighbors arrest is one of my greatest motivations. Search the gospel on the block for those in search of salvation. No more perpetration. Devil, you can't see me with the elevators of a skip. Christ, son of my black genius. Here we come, you can't stop me. It be the S that enter the OPYLOC. We speak and whip from 202 until eternity. And eventually, make y'all all feel.
Now we some soldiers, some mighty, mighty warriors.
The devil try to hold us back, but ain't no stopping us.
With peace the blood in the name of the sun. Now hear my war cry, here we come.
Now let it bang, let them war cries rain. I want Jermaine, that's by grace on this west coast. We blowing up everything if you can feel me. Wait a minute from side to side. It's ABG putting it down, representing the west side. You can't drop me. See them demons, they wanna pop me. Cross-side for life. I dare you to come and stop me. We some soldiers. We coming through your hood with the praise. With 64 convertibles, big willing them sideways. It's the last days. Got you hopping up on the highways. 5Gs for life. But not by God's grace. Here we come. We killing them demons and all the evil. We strapped with 45 street sweepers and desert eagles.
We claiming Lion the Judah, triangle like the Bermuda. The beats is cracking, so boo ya. West side, we bringing it to you.
Say what?
Yo, here we come, we suddenly running up out of the cut. We packing the heat and the devil is hitting the speed, and you know how we roll.
We making them run now. We hitting you under the base and your drum. My enemies get shut down. The Father, the Son, no Spirit, we won. Now here we come like my homies and told ya. We got them tracks on our shoulders and we gon' live and die and ride like